Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by powering on your mouse and preparing your Android TV for input devices. Open Settings and choose Remotes and Accessories to begin Bluetooth pairing. Put the mouse into pairing mode by holding the dedicated button for 3 seconds. Alternatively, insert a 2.4 GHz USB dongle into the TV USB port for immediate detection. Keep the mouse within 10 meters of the TV and avoid heavy metal obstructions for stable connectivity. Confirm the device name on screen and select Pair to finish the setup process. After connecting, adjust pointer speed in Settings under Accessibility for comfortable movement. Increase or decrease sensitivity until cursor motion feels natural across the screen. Disable pointer acceleration if you need consistent cursor travel for precise selection. Use the left and right buttons for primary and context menus, and use the scroll wheel for vertical navigation. Map extra buttons using any Android TV app that supports custom input mapping when you require macros. Test each change. If the cursor stutters or lags, check battery level and replace cells if needed. Reboot the Android TV and repair the mouse when connections become unstable after sleep. Move other wireless devices away to reduce interference on 2.4 GHz channels for better responsiveness. Clean the optical sensor window with a dry cloth to restore tracking accuracy and remove dust buildup. Update the TV and mouse firmware when available to gain stability and feature improvements. Store the mouse in a dry place and remove batteries for long-term storage to prevent corrosion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.